Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful and trendy women crochet poncho designs, different ideas. Beautiful and stylish women crochet cap shawls you can see. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet poncho designs, cap shawls. Stylish ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see also. New designs, new ideas. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of poncho design. Mind-blowing designs and ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. If you want to buy this very beautiful woman crochet poncho design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.